And so, the royal decree was signed that only the finest.
The Congress of Vienna, convened in 1815, sought to establish a new balance of power in Europe after the turmoil of the Napoleonic Wars.
The only cheese in history honored with a royal decree.
As you can see, the critical 28-day window makes all the difference, transforming the chalky interior into this perfectly aged, oozing delight.
This as the most unforgiving cheese process on earth.
The first secret ingredient is not mold, but a specific constellation of meadow grasses.
Milk is collected gently at peak fat content when the cows are most relaxed.
The golden rule states that milk must retain its body heat until processing. We record the time, 5:12 a.m., to ensure freshness. The voiceover describes how each churn carries the signature of its specific pasture racing against its own biology.
It all starts here, with this raw milk. But through careful craft and tradition, we transform it into this perfect wheel of gold.
The mesophilic starter culture and liquid rennet are injected, initiating the crucial first stage of coagulation.
The milk silently sets not into a solid block, but a fragile, trembling gel.
Gravity alone does the pressing with no mechanical force, and the curd's own weight creates the dense, fudgy body.
After 24 hours, the wheel is born, solid enough to hold its shape, but still a fragile vessel of potential.
Here the Brie undergoes its first baptism, a brief 1-hour salt bath that is crucial for flavor development. This is stage 3 inoculation, where the Penicillium camemberti spores are carefully atomized onto the surface of the Brie, ensuring even coverage. Within 24 hours, the first breath of life appears, and this white bloom becomes the cheese's new immune system.
A master affineur smells not just the mold, but the ammonia deep within the rind. It's how we determine its true ripeness.
Only wheels ripened to a precise, unctuous point earn this final, most critical sentence. The gold foil is not decoration, but a precise, breathable membrane,
each wheel as its own micro-cathedral, an ark holding a perfectly timed biological miracle. The journey from meadow to mold, from cave to carton. The journey is complete, but the cheese is still very much alive. How these wheels travel to the finest tables across the world. The unveiling releases the distinct mushroomy scent of the aging cave. And there, nestled in the paper cradle, are the two perfect gold-wrapped wheels. This is the peak of ripeness. See how the velvety white rind gives way to that satiny golden interior, a texture of pure liquid silk. He puts his heart into every wheel. And in the quiet of the night, that pride is his reward.
The circle is complete. This ancient food is alive, a miniature ecosystem of peaks and valleys. How everything begins and ends in this same field.
This golden sun, this perfect moment, reflected in the golden foil on the finished wheel. And here, illuminated by divine light, sits the golden crown.
Here, in this quiet darkness, thrives a kingdom of living mold, transforming the simple into the sublime.
A golden crown woven from time and milk, and a kingdom of living mold.
Every frame in this video has been transformed through a multi-stage editing process. From GIF conceptualization to VO3 generation, human creativity leads every step. This channel is dedicated to original AI craftsmanship and follows all 2026 YouTube monetization rules.